I'm going to do a quick video here for some help with the Chapter 2 exercises and with getting you set up with how you use BlueJ and turn in files to me. Okay, so what I have here is a student, the work that a student turned into me yesterday, the Chapter 2 exercises. Exercises is 11, this is 13A, this is 13B. They did each of these in separate classes, which is great. So I can, for instance, I can test the Red Cross class just by calling its main function, method, and in just a second it will pop up a correctly formatted Red Cross, so I know that that program is done correctly. I can always go in and look at it, which I'm not going to do. Same thing with the Bullseye program. Call its main method, and there, that's done. Right, and I could do the same thing with exercise 11. Now, let me show you how, suggest to you how you should organize your computer regarding your Java work. So, I would suggest that you create a folder on your computer called something like My Computer Science Work or whatever, right? If you could put that in your Documents folder, or you could put it on your desktop, or wherever you tend to organize your schoolwork, but make sure you have a folder for your computer science work. Here's that project that I just opened, that I just showed you, right? Now, here's how I'd like you to turn in your work whenever it's programming exercises from now on. Take that BlueJ created folder, right? This folder was created from BlueJ. Let me just make another one just so I can show you this. So from BlueJ, I'll make a new project. I'll call this Chapter 3 exercises, just for the heck of it. Create. And there's Chapter 3 exercises, and if I look in that, it it has the default code that BlueJ puts in every new project. And now I'll just right-click on it and do compress Chapter 3 exercises. What that does is it zips the file. There's the zipped file. And all you're going to do is upload to Haiku that zipped file when you've got all your exercises working. Okay? And then I can just download that zipped file and test your code. All right? So you will write your code in a folder, same folder, just to keep things organized. When you have your code set for a particular project, you will right-click on the folder that BlueJ created. You'll zip it, and you'll send me the zipped file. All right, cool. Now, just a bit about the Bullseye exercise, since that seems to be causing a bit of trouble. So here's a hint on how to approach that. You want to draw 3 ovals, all of which are circles in this case, and all of which have the same center. So draw the biggest first, right? And make that red. And then draw the medium-sized one second. I'll go to about there. And draw that one as white. So you change the color before you draw this second medium-sized one. Then you draw the third one, again with the same center. And that one, you will change color before you draw that one back to red, and then you've got your bullseye, right? So what you've really got is overlapping circles, and since the last the last drawn circle will cover up anything underneath it, you can't do this in the opposite order. You can't do the smallest one first, because then the white circle that you drew second would cover up the smaller red circle. And then when you drew the final outer red circle, that would cover up the two other circles. So always start with your, in this case, start with the largest first, and then the one that, say, you think you want in the background, then the next largest, and then the smallest. Okay? That's all. Thanks a lot for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and hope you have a great week.